Hey everybody, this is Nathan Brown. I'm the event director for FCP Euro. If you've watched the series The Paddock or have watched this on social media, Instagram, Facebook, etc., we give away all kinds of FCP Euro swag, stickers, sunglasses. The primary reason for sort of having all of that is we sell European car parts online. We don't always have direct interaction with the majority of our customers. So one of the things that we really like to do when we come out to these events is sort of put a face to the name of the company. So really the way that we do that is we have two different areas of our booth. We have our main sort of table area that has the majority of our giveaway items, our sunglasses, stickers, things like that. And then we have our vendor wall. And the vendor wall is really more of an information center. It's where we put our products and products from our partners on display to help people get familiar with them, help physically understand maybe what it is that they sell or what they do or why they should use them. So each one of our partners has a dedicated wall. Sachs ZF is another one. So you see here we have these two power steering fluid reservoirs. This one is a ZF product, ZF box. This is a Porsche branded product. Still the same identical ZF product inside of it though. So this display with the bag is a little unsightly for me. Like I wouldn't normally keep it like that, but that's the only way you know that this is probably a $50 or $100 Porsche part versus something that probably costs 50% of that. That's a ZF part. There's physically no difference. They both have the ZF cap. There's not one speck of Porsche branding on this product other than the bag that it comes in. So we do that essentially with everything that we sell genuine on our website. If there's an OE aftermarket alternative that'll save somebody money, we will let them know about it, and we're very active about that. So ZF Aftermarket is actually sort of a family of different brands. Sachs is probably the most well-known. They also manufacture or own TRW and LEMFÖRDER. Sachs is probably primarily known for different clutches and friction materials for drivetrain, and then also shocks and dampers for chassis control. So again, you have this genuine strut right here, and then a Sachs strut right here. Basically the same identical part, but again, you'll save somewhere $50 a corner, which anybody who's a normal human being and cares about how much money they're spending on their car, $50 a corner is $200, and that can do all kinds of things for you. And all of these brands are very high quality. They're proven in the industry, and they're things that we feel good about selling to our customers. And it's the kind of thing that if your sister, your grandmother, your mother, your father, brother, cousin, uncle, whatever it is, you feel safe with providing these people with these parts and knowing that they're going to work for them.